I don't know Ket Matlala. I've never met Ket Matlala. I don't know Katie, I don't know what is his surname now. I don't know these people. I don't know these big five guys. I've never met them. I've never had, I mean, for me to say that a photo can appear tomorrow, then I'll be like a liar. So I'm telling you, I don't know these people. Everyone is not so see maar ek kan nou reg terug gaan my lewe pilletjies verkoop ek wil nie vir julle sê hoe ver hoe die Here my geseën nie. So all of you, I want to make it clear, I was very disappointed in the general because I really was a big fan of him. He should have known to test that information before he took it there. You don't make such a serious. I'm a member of the executive of this country. Did they call me in to question me on that? But enjoy my name. Enjoy my name. I'm busy with elections. That's all I'm going to say. Enjoy my name.